Alright, welcome back. So this video is stretched over 2 days, but we'll start from the top. My last video you saw me RGH3, this Trinity board, which is my personal RGH, not for resale. If you would like to purchase anything that I feature on my videos or some that aren't on my videos, head over to eBay and search for user Glitcher. I currently have a 4GB Corona that I have had for a while and currently just looking to make extra room for myself for more projects. The ultimate goal for this video is to repair a 16.4S drive for my Trinity with a 16.5S drive that has no power port, thus becoming my donor for this since the Trinity won't read anything after exhausting any and all pot adjustment. This 16.4S does have a Winbond chip, which will require me to drill into the IC package on the drive board. It's really as easy as swapping the laser cradle, if that's what it's called, I have no idea. Doing some testing to find out if this will even work, and was stoked to find out that it works right off the rip. So we've moved on from this hurdle and explored the next hurdle, flashing LT Plus and drilling into the chip. Now I get to dig out the old trusty X360 USB Pro V2. However, I had an issue during install on Windows 10 that took me far too long to realize. In the end, it was stuck in bootloader mode. After re-uploading a hex update file, everything operated to perfection, but this was rounds and rounds of doubting whether it was the drivers or what. But this was the biggest pain. Here, just doing the usual flashing thing, with the added benefit of disabling the SPI so we can erase and write the LT Plus firmware, and get on with it. I'm using my Maximus template, a really dull drill bit, ended up breaking out the Ryobi drill. Once that was done, we do our outro on it and test it on the Trinity. First we test whether or not it will still even read retail games, hoping to not fuck anything up. And good news, still works. We'll play burn games now. A little bit of burnout revenge. If you have a test disc, at least make it a fun one, right? Finally finished. What did I learn? X360 USB Pro V2 can be fickle, and make sure it's not in bootloader mode. Appreciate you all watching. Had fun doing this one. Make sure to check out my eBay page, Glitcher, for upcoming gaming gear and deals. Some stuff I keep, so not everything makes it there, and vice versa. Have an amazing day and a better weekend. Peace.